Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes function keys not working on Windows 11 laptop. First method is, press the function and escape keys at the same time. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Type msdt.exe space, -id space, Device Diagnostic. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Keyboard. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand keyboards, right-click Keyboard, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Fifth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand keyboards, right-click Keyboard, click Uninstall Driver, click Uninstall. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.